Hi, my name is Don with MyChairParts.com. I'm going to be talking with you today on how to remove a gas cylinder from an office chair base. Most of you, when you purchased your gas cylinder, it looked like this over here. And when you took it off of the chair mechanism, this is what you had. And this part here, called the column, remained in the chair base. The problem a lot of people are having is removing this from the chair base. You need to squirt this with WD-40, 1 or 2 squirts at the very most. Then you would turn this base over. Let me come on the other side so I can show you more clearly. You would turn this base over, pushing it up to the edge of a table for full support, and hit it with a steel hammer. Now this one is not in very tight. It's very tight. It's just for demonstration purposes, but you'll get the idea. I'm tapping it. You'll be hitting it, and it will come out. I think we can take that part out. Thank you very much.